What's going on, everybody? Zion Racing Team here again. It's been a while. You know, the pandemic got us all crazy. Let's want to give you guys a little update. We're here with Ashy Larry. He had a little problem with his engine, and so we at first thought maybe we could get away with pulling the transmission and maybe tightening the flywheel, but it seems like it might be a little bit more than that. So right now we are getting ready to take Ashy Larry's heart out. Bunch of upgrades gonna be coming, so stay tuned for that. And just want to kind of let you guys know what we're doing. We ain't sleeping. We've been chopping up here and there, so want to show you guys how it sits right now, because coming soon it's gonna be a little different. So just gonna give you guys little updates as I go through it. I'm not gonna have too much time to be making videos while I'm pulling the engine, but we'll try to show you the main stuff. All right, everybody. As you can see here, fast forward a little bit. Engine is ready to come out. Now, you just gotta pull it out, and then it'll be ready to go where it needs to go. But for right now, disassembled everything, ready to take this bad boy out.